Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss revision of crystal structure. Now, in this lecture we will discuss structure of atomic form factor or atomic scattering factor. We have considered only the condition of differentiation from simple structure from which only the corner point of the unit cell are occupied. It will be evident that the intensity of beam diffracted by the actual crystal will depend on the grouping of atom in the unit cell and on scattering power of these atom conveniently. The intensity of diffracted beam should be provide information about the configuration of atom in the unit cell and therefore must be considered an quantity of X-ray diffraction work. In the present section, we shall consider the atomic scattering factor. In the next section, the relationship between intensity of diffracted beam and the atomic configuration in the unit cell will be discussed. The atomic form factor Fs is defined as the ratio of amplitude of electromagnetic wave scattered by the atom and that wave scattered by the free electron. Now this will be the diagram. Calculation of atomic form factor. To calculate this form factor from given wavelength lambda, we refer above figure, that is this figure. Let A be the center of atom. This A will be the center of atom. And let us consider an incident and scatter beam making an angle 2 theta. That is this 2 theta, this angle with each other. We may then choose the z-axis of the polar coordinate system r mu q along AN, where AN is the normal to the reflecting plane. BAC, that is BAC. If the electronic change distribution of the atom is assumed to the spherical symmetry, the function PR may be the introduced representing the density of electron at a distance r from the nucleus A. Thus the number of electron in the volume element R is equal to P bracket R R square dr sin theta d theta d phi. Consider now the phase difference between the X-ray scatter by this element change and the rays that would be scattered if the sum change were located in the point A. From what happened we said in the presenting section, it follows that this phase difference is determined only by Z is equal to R cos theta and in fact equal to theta is equal to bracket 4 pi Z upon lambda bracket complete sin theta is equal to bracket 4R 4 pi upon lambda bracket R cos theta sin theta. This will be the equation number first. On the other hand, the absolute volume of the amplitude of the scatter wave is the course independent of the location of the change and simply proportional to the amount of charge. The ratio of the complex amplitude of the wave scattered by the element under consideration and amplitude of the wave that will be scattered by the same change in the A is thus simply equal to atomic scattering form factor is Fs is equal to integration r0 to infinity integration theta is equal to 0 to pi integration phi is equal to 0 to 2 pi e raised to iq p r square dr sin mu delta mu into d phi. scattering equation 1, that is this equation 1 from phi in the integral become fs is equal to integration 0 to phi 4 pi r square pr sin kr upon kr into dr with k is equal to 4 pi upon lambda into sin theta. This will be the equation number 2. We note that integration 4 pi r square pr dr is equal to the total number of electrons z in the atom. Hence the atomic form factor is equal to z only from theta is equal to 0. For all other angle of scattering from equation 2, it will be follow that the calculation fs requires knowledge of the change distribution in the atom. As the example we will given figure the atomic form factor from manganese as function of sin theta upon lambda. This will be the diagram of atomic form factor from magnesium as the function of sin theta upon lambda, lambda expressed in A. The change distribution on which such curve that base may be the obtained from approximation or atom with large number of electrons from the statistical atomic model developed by the Thomson and the Fermi. In some cases, for solid with structure, the atomic scattering factor may be the determined experimentally from the intensity measure. The arrangement with the theoretical curve is generally good. Now this will be the structure of atomic form factor or atomic scattering factor. Thank you so much.